Okay, platypuses, today in phonics we are going to continue adding the ER, the suffix, and the EST suffix, est suffix to words. Okay, so you're going to have a practice today looking at the spelling rules and changing some words by adding the suffixes, okay, and est. Here are a set of words. And what you're going to do is you will need to split your page into 3 columns like this. You'll need to have one with double, one with drop, and one with do nothing. Okay? And what you need to do with the words here is that you need to decide whether you need to double the final consonant, you need to drop the final E, or whether you just do nothing at all, okay? And on the next page, I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. So here I have started sorting some of the words. Oh, let's go back to that one, okay? So the first word I had was sad. And what I needed to do for that one is sad, it has a short vowel sound, okay? A is a vowel. It makes the sound, which is a short vowel sound, and it ends in a consonant. So if that is the case, then you need to double the consonant before adding either the or the est suffix. And that's what I've done here. Can you see? I have looked at the D, I've doubled the D, okay, so there are 2 Ds here, and I've added I've done the same here. I've doubled the D, and then I've added the est suffix, okay? Now, for this one, for the word brave, what does this word brave end in, okay? It ends in an E. Can you remember the rule for this one? So words ending in E, you need to drop the E and add either or est. Okay, the or the est suffix. Okay, can you see here? I've dropped the E and I've added or est. Now, for lots of words, you don't need to do anything, okay? All you need to do is add the suffix. Now, if you want to recap on these rules, I know they're quite tricky and trying to remember them all, and that's fine. You can go back to the work we did yesterday, and I've also put on this slide here, these are just a reminder of the rules that you're going to be looking at today. So for some words, so no changes needed to some root words, okay? You just add or est. Now, if a word ends in a short vowel sound, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, so A, E, I, those are short vowel sounds, okay? And a consonant, we double the consonant before adding or est. Now, if a word ends in E, we drop the E before adding or est, okay? So your work today is to draw a grid like this, okay, and sort all of the words into the correct column, okay? Think really carefully about the spelling rule, okay? Good luck with your spelling rules.